In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Alpha Network to Trust Wallet. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your device. From the main wallet screen, look to the top right corner and tap the Manage Assets or Filter icon. This is the place where you control which tokens appear in your wallet list, and it's the starting point for adding tokens that aren't shown by default. Inside the Manage Assets view, tap the plus button. This opens the screen for adding a custom token, which is exactly what we need when a token hasn't been pre-listed or you want to make sure you're using the correct contract details. Before entering anything, change the network from Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain. This is important because the same token name can sometimes exist on different networks, and Trust Wallet needs to know which chain to look at. BNB Smart Chain, sometimes called BSC or Smart Chain, uses BNB for gas fees. So make sure you have a small amount of BNB in your wallet if you plan to send or swap the token later. Next, in the contract address field, paste the official contract address for Alpha Network on BNB Smart Chain. Always copy this from a trusted source, such as the project's official website or documentation, a verified block explorer page like BCScan, or a reputable listing platform. Avoid addresses shared in random comments or groups. Taking a few extra seconds to verify the source can help you steer clear of counterfeit tokens. Once you paste the contract address, the token name, symbol, and decimals should autofill. That's usually a good sign you've got a recognized contract on the correct network. If these fields don't populate, double check that the network is set to BNB Smart Chain and confirm the contract address matches the official one exactly. Any mismatch, even a single character, will prevent the token from being identified correctly. When everything looks right, tap Save. Trust Wallet will add the token to your asset list so you can view your balance whenever funds are sent to your address. If you don't see it immediately on the main wallet screen, pull down to refresh or return to the Manage Assets screen and make sure the toggle for the token is enabled. That's it. You've added Alpha Network to Trust Wallet. Keep the contract address in a safe place for future reference and always verify details from official sources before adding any new token. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, follow along for more quick wallet tutorials.